this one's super, super simple. You can either bake or fry these nachos. I'm gonna fry them today because it's a holiday.
And,
right? Why
well,
not? And because there's a big fryer right here and it's hot.
And there's a hot fryer next to you.
And if you were gonna bake these, you can just do the same thing I'm doing here. I'm just cutting up a corn tortilla into 8 pieces. I have a couple of those. We're gonna drop these in the fryer, but if you're gonna bake them, you can just spray them with some cooking spray, pop them into a 400-degree oven. All right, so we're gonna drop these guys down into our fryer. Those are gonna get nice and crispy. They only take a couple minutes.
Right.
So while those are frying up, we're gonna make our next part of this, because while they're nice and hot, we're gonna toss them in some cinnamon sugar. So let's make our cinnamon sugar.
I love cinnamon sugar. When I was a little girl, cinnamon sugar was like a staple. Like, you know, cinnamon sugar toast.
My mom used to buy the little cinnamon sugar in the little bear. It came in a little bear.
Aww.
I was sitting on the counter.
And you shook little bear's belly?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
So yummy. So we just have about a half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon. We mix that up, and we're gonna go back down there and get our ganache going. So we have our cream nice and hot. You can see it right here. It's bubbling up. So now we're gonna turn off.
Add in your
the
chipperoos?
Heat. Yep, we're gonna add in our chips. So whenever you make a ganache, you wanna do 1 part cream to 2 parts chocolate. So I have a cup of cream in here.
To 2 cups of chocolate.
And we're going dark chocolate today because we both love dark chocolate. It's all melted up. Do you wanna add in our cinnamon? Yep, a little bit of cinnamon.
And then a little bit of, I'm guessing, chili powder?
Chili powder,
Yeah, I love chili powder.
This is a chipotle chili powder, so it's gonna be a little smoky
a little
too,
smoky.
which is nice.
And that little bit of spice actually mirrors beautifully the flavor of dark chocolate. Slightly bitter and a little, you know, it's got a little slow burn in the back of your throat. Delicious.
Yes, fun. So we're gonna bring this down here, and this is how quickly this dessert comes together because our nachos are done. Those are golden and fried. Our ganache is ready to go. And now this is the fun part. I have a little brown paper bag here.
And you're gonna do the shaky shake.
We're gonna shake them up. So fun. So while they're nice and hot, still have a little bit of oil on them. Just put them into our bag.
Oh, they're nice and deep golden brown.
Aren't those pretty? So put in a little bit of that cinnamon sugar.
Oh, yes, sir.
I'll let you do the honors and shake it up. I'm gonna add in some salt,
sir. And
too.
salt, you and I love salt on everything.
There it goes. Shake those guys up.
Yes!
Look at that.
Drizzle.
A little drizzle of our chocolate on top.
A little drizzle.
Ooh, look at those.
What?
Doesn't that look yummy?